reviews.
They have a modern, clean look to them. Hi, my name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist with the Desire Company, and today we're going to be reviewing my TE Deum hairpin legs. They come in a couple of different finishes. I prefer a black matte finish because the color black is really neutral. Not only do they feel lightweight, but they also look lightweight as well. For the custom coffee tables that I make, a lot of times the designs themselves of my coffee tables are really outgoing, and the legs just kind of sort of complement them. And the metal itself is really strong. They're welded together. At the bottom where you attach the legs to the base, you have 5 different attachment points. Unlike some brands where you may only have 3 attachment points, which allows your legs to be really secure to the table itself or whatever surface you're mounting them to. So I've been using these legs for a couple of months now, maybe about 4 or 5 months now, and they seem to be the best quality out there. I really like them, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone who are looking for hairpin